Yes, linear speed of the planet is variable, not constant. Okay? But aerial speed is constant. So what is aerial speed? I am going to select a certain time. Okay? Suppose I am taking the time of 1 second. When planet lies farthest from the sun, it will cover lesser distance in 1 second because its speed is minimum. When planet is closest to the sun, it will cover largest distance because its speed is greater. So what segment of distance covered by the planet when it is farthest from the sun, and what segment of distance is covered by the planet closest to the sun? When join these segments with the sun, then you will find a triangular shape. Then area of those triangles will be equal. Okay? That is why I'll say aerial speed is constant. Let us see here. Suppose planet takes t time to attain a distance from A to B. Here speed is minimum. When planet lies over here, in the same time planet covers CD distance. This distance is greater than this one. It is because speed is greater over here than speed of here. Okay? When planet lies closest to the sun, suppose planet is over here, in the certain time, now it covers this distance. This is the maximum distance, EF. Suppose O is the sun. Okay? Or leave it. Now I will join these segments with the sun. So area of ASB is equal to area of CSD is equal to area of ESF. Okay? These areas are equal. So its aerial speed is constant. Aerial speed is equal to area upon time. I am telling you very important thing. Many times examiner asked in the final board practical and students were not able to reply this answer. Its unit is meter square per second. Okay? Now I am giving you a question and I want answer from you. Meter per second, meter square per second, and meter cube per second. Name the physical quantities of these units. Okay? I am waiting for your answer. Thank you.